Hey YouTube, Jason here again with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into today's video. Today we're talking about RSI versus MACD. Which one should you use? I'll be honest with you, I try and keep trading as simple as possible. Okay, and one of the things is when I look at the MACD, the RSI, there's only essentially one line I have to kind of really worry about. And I care about the overbought, oversold. I also care about, hey, if we get oversold, you could see I have where it changes the color to the upside, changes color on oversold to the downside, overbought to the upside. And I look for divergences. It's a way for me to really kind of help to be able to identify certain things. Something like this right here, right? You could see we're making a higher high, okay, here. And the RSI is making a lower high. Okay, so it's just a lot easier to see. Now with the MACD, you could see the same thing, but for me, I'm going to just kind of make this probably more complicated than it has to be because this is the way my brain sees it. There are too many lines. Okay, well, is this crossing this line, right? Okay, I see the momentum on the histograms, but does it really tell me anything? It's just a lot of mixed signals because if you think about it, the crossover on the MACD was way over here. Okay, and the histograms are peaking out way over here. So it's one of those things that's kind of hard for me to really kind of grasp and understand. I understand how MACDs work. I just don't think it's very helpful for myself. Now, you might disagree. If you do, leave it down below in the comments. I'd love to hear your comments if you guys use one or the other. But with that being said, I just like the RSI because I'm able to see divergences, right? Oversold, okay, hey, we're way oversold here. If we came back down, made a new low, I'd potentially be able to see maybe a double bottom, something like that, or overbought levels or divergences, things like that to where it'll give me a telltale of, is this thing about to reverse? Is there an edge for me to be able to maybe figure this out and make a trade that's a lot easier with the odds in my favor? Again, is there an edge to it for me? And that's kind of the way I look at a lot of this stuff when I'm looking at MACDs or the RSI. When I look at the MACD, I think it's slower. It's a slower time where things don't show as quickly as what the RSI does. So this, I'm going to have to give RSI, okay? I love the RSI. I love the RVI, Relative Volatility Index, on lower time frames. And I also love the stochastics, but I'll also do one on RSI versus stochastics that you'll want to watch because there are things that you want to look at, right, of RSI. And then I'll also do one on RSI versus RVI, and that one you'll definitely want to watch too because I'm going to kind of break into why I like the RSI for some time frames and why I like the RVI for other time frames. So I hope that helps. But this RSI versus MACD, I will take the RSI all day long. So, hey, thank you again for watching. And remember, keep trading as simple as possible. Don't make it harder than it needs to be. And thank you for watching. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.